Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Product Reviews. Today we're diving into the 10 best treadmills with Incline that can level up your home workouts. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, having the right Incline treadmill makes a huge difference in burning calories and building strength. I've personally tested and reviewed each of these models to help you find the perfect fit for your space and fitness goals. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Yume Folding Incline Treadmill. The Yume Folding Incline Treadmill is a perfect blend of compact design and advanced features. Its motor delivers smooth performance, allowing for consistent walking or running sessions, while the adjustable incline simulates hill training for a more challenging workout. The treadmill includes a large LCD screen that displays speed, time, distance, and calories burned, making it easy to track your progress. Safety is a priority with a secure folding mechanism and anti-slip surface. I love how it fits neatly into smaller spaces without compromising stability. The treadmill also supports multiple speed levels and preset workout programs, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. It's truly a versatile addition to any home gym. Well-Fit Auto Incline Treadmill. The Well-Fit Auto Incline Treadmill is ideal for anyone looking to combine technology and comfort in their workouts. Its automatic incline adjustment allows you to focus on your pace, while the treadmill adapts to your training needs. The cushioned running deck reduces joint impact, making longer sessions more comfortable. I was impressed with the intuitive LED display, which shows speed, incline, distance, and calories burned at a glance. With built-in workout programs, you can simulate various terrains, from gentle slopes to challenging hills. The treadmill also features a compact folding design, perfect for saving space in smaller rooms. Its smooth motor ensures quiet workouts, and the safety key adds extra reassurance for home use. This treadmill is a practical choice for anyone seeking daily cardio with minimal hassle. Portable Incline Walking Treadmill. The Portable Incline Walking Treadmill is perfect for those needing a lightweight, space-saving solution. Despite its compact size, it offers a sturdy and stable frame that handles regular walking sessions with ease. The incline function enhances calorie burn and adds intensity without the need for outdoor hills. I found it incredibly easy to set up and fold away after use, making it convenient for apartments or small home gyms. The treadmill also includes a simple digital display showing speed, time, and calories, keeping workouts focused and effective. Its quiet motor allows for use without disturbing others, and the safety features give extra reassurance for home use. This treadmill is a practical choice for anyone seeking daily cardio with minimal hassle. Folding Incline Home Treadmill. The Folding Incline Home Treadmill combines durability with modern convenience. Its foldable design allows for easy storage, while the adjustable incline adds versatility to your workouts. I love how smooth the motor operates, providing quiet sessions that don't disturb others in the house. The treadmill features a responsive display showing essential metrics like speed, time, and calories, helping you stay on track with your fitness goals. The cushioned running deck reduces joint strain, which makes longer workouts more comfortable. Additionally, it comes with preset programs for interval training, walking, and running routines. This treadmill is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable, compact, and effective cardio solution without compromising on quality. Well-Fit Home Incline Treadmill. The Well-Fit Home Incline Treadmill is designed for maximum efficiency and comfort. Its powerful motor handles both walking and running smoothly, while the incline function boosts workout intensity. I appreciated the clear LED screen that displays speed, incline, time, distance, and calories burned, keeping you informed throughout your session. Safety features, including an anti-slip running surface and secure folding mechanism, make it ideal for home use. The treadmill also comes with multiple built-in workout programs, allowing you to simulate hill workouts or interval training effortlessly. Its compact footprint makes it suitable for apartments or smaller rooms, and the overall build quality feels sturdy and durable. It's an excellent choice for anyone serious about home fitness. AnyLife Incline Walking Pad. The AnyLife Incline Walking Pad is a sleek, portable treadmill perfect for light to moderate workouts. Its unique folding design allows it to be stored under beds or desks, saving valuable space. The adjustable incline function enhances calorie burn and strengthens leg muscles even during casual walking sessions. I loved its quiet motor, which allows me to walk while watching shows without disturbing others. The digital display keeps track of speed, distance, time, and calories burned in a user-friendly interface. It's lightweight, but surprisingly stable, making it a
great option for small apartments or office spaces. For anyone seeking convenience without sacrificing functionality, this treadmill provides an effective and enjoyable home cardio solution. Well-fit, smart incline treadmill. The well-fit smart incline treadmill stands out for its technology-driven features. With smart incline adjustment, it automatically adapts to your pace and workout intensity, giving a more effective training experience. I found the LED touchscreen interface intuitive, showing speed, incline, distance, time, and calories burned, which helps track progress effectively. The treadmill comes with several preset workout programs that simulate hill climbs, interval training, and steady-state cardio. Its folding design is compact, perfect for homes with limited space. The quiet motor ensures minimal noise, and the safety key provides extra peace of mind. This treadmill is a great investment for anyone wanting a connected, efficient home fitness solution.
Red Lero Safe Walk Treadmill. The Red Lero Safe Walk Treadmill is a reliable choice for home cardio enthusiasts. Its sturdy frame supports safe walking and running sessions, while the adjustable incline allows for customized workouts. I was impressed with the treadmill's shock-absorbing running deck, which reduces joint impact and enhances comfort during longer routines. The LED display keeps essential workout data visible, including speed, distance, time, and calories burned. It also offers several preset programs to mix up your cardio routine. Folding it away is easy, making it convenient for small living spaces. The quiet yet powerful motor ensures uninterrupted workouts, and the safety key adds an extra layer of security. It's an ideal treadmill for anyone prioritizing safety and efficiency in home fitness. Sunny Smart Auto Treadmill. The Sunny Smart Auto Treadmill brings modern technology to your home workouts. Its automatic incline feature adjusts as you progress, simulating outdoor terrain and boosting calorie burn. I found the cushioned running surface very comfortable for walking or light jogging, minimizing joint strain. The LED console is intuitive, displaying all essential metrics like speed, distance, calories, and time, which helps track progress effectively. The treadmill comes with preset workout programs, making interval training or hill workouts simple to execute. Its folding design saves space, and the quiet motor allows for workouts without disturbing others. Overall, it's a smart, convenient treadmill suitable for beginners and experienced users who want an efficient home cardio option. Yume Foldable Auto Treadmill. The Yume Foldable Auto Treadmill is perfect for combining efficiency, comfort, and compact design. Its motor delivers smooth performance, while the automatic incline functions simulate hills for an extra challenge. I love the large LED display that clearly shows speed, time, distance, and calories burned, helping me monitor every session effectively. The treadmill's cushioned running deck provides joint protection, ideal for longer workouts. Its folding design makes storage a breeze, perfect for apartments or small home gyms. Built-in workout programs allow for varied routines, from steady walks to interval sessions. The quiet operation and safety features, including a secure key, give peace of mind. For anyone looking for a reliable, space-saving, and effective treadmill, this model ticks all the boxes. That wraps up our review of the 10 best treadmill with incline for your home workouts. Each treadmill we covered offers unique features, from automatic incline adjustments to compact foldable designs, making it easier to choose one that fits your space and fitness needs. Personally, I enjoyed testing them and can confidently recommend options for both beginners and experienced users. Don't forget to check the links in the description for prices and additional details. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Top Product Reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews.